my channel. I hope everybody is doing good and taking care of yourself. And if you are watching any of my videos for the very first time, I welcome you to join our cute little family. And so today's video is going to be very helpful for people who are very beginner at makeup, and specifically for people who don't have all the makeup products, because when I just started doing makeup and learning makeup, I didn't have all the products, and I learned how to use all these hacks which I'm going to share with all of you today. And also, if you are not very fond of makeup, I also have one trick that will make your skin very glowing, and I'm going to share it in the very end. So stay tuned and keep watching, and without wasting any further time, let's just begin with it. If you have pigmentation, acne marks, dark circles, you can hide it all using color correctors. So I'm going to share with all of you today, if you don't have color correctors, what else you can do. So basically, first hack is for dark circles. If you suffer from dark circles, what you need to have is a reddish pink lipstick, and you can use that to color correct the under eyes, just like I'm doing here. If you have a darker skin tone, you can go for orangish lipsticks, and then you have to cover it up with the concealer of your choice. I'm using Maybelline Age Divine Concealer here. And then you just need to smudge it out with a beauty blender or any brush that you use. And that's it. Another color corrector related hack is for acne and people who suffer from face redness. Green color corrector is commonly used for acne and redness on the face. So if you don't have a green color corrector, what else you can do is you can take a green eyeshadow like the one I used here. So what basically it does that it tones down the redness and camouflages any pimples or breakouts that you may have. And then you need to just cover it up with your concealer and blend it out with a beauty blender. Now you won't see any marks or redness on your face. Next hack is for contouring. So if you don't have a contour, what you need is a brownish nude shade of any lipstick that you like. I have this Maybelline Color Sensational in the shade Nude Nuance, and it is this brownish nude kind of shade, as you can see. And you can use this to contour your face. All you need is to make contour lines on your cheekbones, on your nose and on your forehead, and you just need to blend it all out with a beauty blender, just like here I'm doing, and that is it. So next hack is for people like me who are kind of obsessed with long beautiful eyelashes. So what I use is that I powder my eyelashes before using a mascara. You can use any makeup powder. I am using the Fit Me one. And then you have to apply your mascara like we do normally. And then it elongates your eyelashes, giving them a longer look. It really changes the entire game. It really works like magic and gives you very beautiful long eyelashes. The next hack is the hack that I used on everyday basis, and it is that I use my black eyeshadow, not jet black but brownish black kind of eyeshadow, as my eyebrow powder. Literally works great because I don't think they look fake or anything. They look very natural, and sometimes I don't like to wear eyeliner a lot of the times, so I also line my upper eyelash with black eyeshadow, and it makes my eyes to look bigger and wider, and it really makes a lot of the difference. So that is the one hack that I'm literally obsessed with, and I do that on everyday basis. Another hack that I really like is to apply highlighter instead of body shimmers, and all you need to do is you need to take some highlighter, and then you need to mix some moisturizer in it, and then you can apply it wherever you want, your legs, your arms, and then it gives a glam and shiny look itself. And so you don't really need to invest in a body shimmer, so it really saves a lot of money as well. Another hack that I really like is that when sometimes when we apply an eyeshadow and it folds over here, or even when we apply a mascara and it sticks here, so all you need to correct that instead of redoing your makeup on those areas is that you can use a cello tape, and you just have to wrap it around your finger just like this, and then you can pluck off all the makeup residues left on your face just like this. Next, I'm And the last hack is for people who want their skin to glow. So what I use for that is face icing. So face icing has really helped me and gave me some really effective results. All you need is to wrap 1 or 2 ice cubes in a cloth, basically a linen or a cotton cloth, and you just need to rub it on your face for a while, 5-10 minutes approximately, and it really helps your skin to feel supple and it really makes it glowy. So that really helps me, and I really hope it does for you too. So yeah, that was it with today's video. I really hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and also give this video a big thumbs up. And if you know any other makeup beauty hacks, let me know in the comment section. I would love to try them out myself. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video on Friday. Bye.